Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to find popular hashtags on TikTok. We enter TikTok and click on the magnifying glass icon at the top. Here we will do a search with a word related to the topic we want to talk about. After this, we enter the hashtags category, and we will see a list of elements related to that topic where we can see those with the most related publications. This way we can see the most used hashtags at this moment for that topic. Another option is for us to enter the videos category and see the TikToks with the highest views. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Here we can display their hashtags and see which ones are using the most viewed videos of the moment. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.